up, back babes? It's another show and tell of spring sneak peek. There's so much to show you, but I wanted to show you this new print that we're having. Rewind! What's up, back babes? It's your girl Rockstar, your virtual 31 consultant right here on YouTube, where I give you all things 31. In this video, you're going to be actually seeing a pre-recorded video that I did at Leader Summit, showing all the new spring stuff that they had at Leader Summit. I've been holding this information for about a month already. Now, these are some of the prints and products that I did not include in our spring haul when you did the shop with me video. So you're going to be seeing that in this video. If anything, I hope it showed you how much dedication and love that I show you, ladies. I wish I could bring you all with me when I saw all those amazing stuff. Now, don't forget, we have a giveaway in this video. I am launching day 3 of Countdown to Spring. Every day of this week, I will be launching a video about a spring product or what's going on with the spring. And if you simply click the share button, share it on whatever social media you want, text, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, whatever you'd like, and comment, share down below. You'll be getting in on today's giveaway. Don't forget, I started this last Saturday, so if you missed last Saturday, I'll be putting a playlist at the very end so you can get in on every day. All right, ladies, it ends at Saturday when we have Bag Babe TV, and I'll be announcing all 7 winners. Yay! Okay. We have a few more days left into February, ladies. If you've been sleeping this whole month, this bad boy is going away. Okay, let me know down in the Google Docs below if you want the retirement list, final days of the February special, final days of the PS bundle, final days of the cinch up bin, and don't forget, with shopping in February, when you shop with me, you'll get in on this lovely giveaway. I'll be announcing the winner on March 1st. And I finally added 7 spots to my Share the Love board, meaning I only have 3 left. Girls, basically share me with your friends and family, and if you become their 31 girl and they shop with me, you are in on a $100 mystery bundle on your girl Rockstar. And so far, Roxana is dominating with 4. I got Sarah from Minnesota, Veronica, thank you Veronica for sending April to me, and Jennifer from Alaska, who added a order to her party. Thank you, ladies. So 3 more spots, and I can't wait to raffle that off because I really want to see what's in that mystery bundle. And then lastly, if there's something in here that you want, make sure you get in on the March Madness Mystery Hostess that I have every month. Ladies, if you shop by March 8th, you will get double entries into the Mystery Hostess for the month, and I will be announcing that winner in March. So, ladies, let's go ahead to get to today's video. Boop. What's up, bag babes? There's so much to show you. All right, do you love your Gemini Day bag? Guess what? It got a little friend with it, and it's called the Classic Day Bag. I have my catalog here. Of course, if you want one, make sure you contact me down below. This spring catalog is all about color. It's all about fun. Now, let's get to this. This is the Classic Day Bag. It is made of soft canvas material. I got your canvas strap. As you can see, this one is monogrammed, so it'd be go on one side. The other side has your cell phone pocket holder, which you girls know I love. Let's go ahead and open it, what's inside. It's a zipper closure. Now all this is full of stuffing because, as you can see, it's like a display, and I'm just grabbing it and going just so you guys can see what it's all about. All right, you open it up atop. I love this. It's like our zip top utility tote, so if you want to leave it open, you totally can. You have that option to have it as an open bag or a zip up. Let's see if we can, in the inside, you have, but you won't have all this fruit, but you have a pocket zipper, and it looks like that's it. So this is great for traveling. So if you need like an extra bag on the go, this totally collapses flat, so it's easy to pack and easy on the go. So again, this is the casual day bag, your day bag little buddy. I love it's so look at this, like soft material, collapsible. I like this. This is in a new print. It comes in 3. This is the navy white stripe. My girls, shoot me down below in the comments if you are my navy blue fans. I know I have a ton of you girls who just love the navy blue. a great look. All right, so let's get to more products. All right, bag babes, there's so much excitement. I got a 2-for-1 right here. This is spring sneak peek of 2 items, 2 brand new items. We are talking about the Half Moon Crossbody. Ladies, this is gorgeous. I can just imagine what you're gonna put in terms of how you're gonna personalize this. It's gonna come in 4 colors, and you know what's great, ladies? It comes with interchangeable straps. So if you want a full look, get the straps in the matching color. But have you seen our wide canvas straps? They're like guitar strap wide. Some of you ladies have been wanting that. Okay, let's get to it. So Half Moon, like this. On the other side, you have that wallet, that cell phone holder. Inside, it's a zipper. Again, you have the option of leaving it open or zipping it up. You have a pocket, one, two, just for the essentials. And on the other side, there is nothing, okay? Super easy day bag. And we have a new product. I'm looking at my catalog. This is called the Light Traveler Card. Ladies, I have been waiting for something like this because we girls know we gotta interchain our bags all the time. And if I need to just do a like right now at Leader Summit, I just need my ID, credit card, and some cash. This is it. It comes in 3 colors. You got the D ring, which you can clip on anything. On one side, you have it right here, which you can totally personalize. I'm totally cheating down below. Is that why I'm looking down? On the other side, you have 1, 2, 3 straps. And let's go ahead and open it up, okay? Let's open it up. If I can open it up. Just enough for you to stick a few cash or maybe your keys. Light travel card water. There you go. Ladies, the excitement here is ridiculous. I am loving this new catalog. You girls will too. I am trying to grab every new product here so you guys can see it up close and see what the excitement is all about. All right, let's get to more fun. What's up, bag babes? It's me again. We are at Leader Summit with sneak peek preview. There is excitement and fun, and I'm giving to you all the new prints and products. So let's get to another one. Okay, we have here an essential beauty tip. I am totally cheating because I have yet to look through this, and it is a new product. Ladies, this is an essential beauty pack. It comes in 3 prints with the slippery material. I'm calling it slippery, but I think it's polyester. Correct me if I'm wrong. You got the wire opening, so it stays open. Check it out. Guess what? There's a surprise inside. You have a mini one, so this is a 2-for-1. Let's go look inside. It has that clear lining, so just in case things spill, because you know it may happen. Super wipeable and easy to clean. You do have a zipper inside, and it is not lined with a clear. It's just a simple pocket. All right. Now let's go ahead into this. Super clear. I love clear bags. You are either a fan or not a fan. I am a big fan because if you're looking for like a hygiene kit, something quick and simple in your big bag that's like buried with everything, this is it. So I have a clear bag with all my hygiene stuff like Band-Aids, wipes, wet ones. You know, the options are endless. This is a great bag. It has a D-ring here, so if you want to make it like your pool bag and like put a wristlet on there or one of those nice big wristlets that you can match with this, now you get yourself a mini bag. So this is the Essential Beauty Duo. You get a 2-for-1. Excellent size. This thing's huge. I didn't think it was huge when I looked into the catalog, but that's why I'm doing these sneak peeks so you guys know, right? Comes in 3 colors. Ladies, there's more to come. Oh, this is called Vista Stripe. Vista Stripe, ladies. I know some of you are loving them. Take care. See you in the next video. All right, bag babes, I am back with a different background. I've done some learning, and now let's get to more product reviews for your spring 2020. Ladies, I have a new, it's called, I have a catalog here. It is called a window shopper. Cute, petite, and the new tie-dye print that is blue with the chestnut distress. Ladies, you got the handles here. You also have a crossbody, which you can totally interchange. On one side, you would have the personalization. You have an open pocket, as you can see. And on the other side, you have that awesome phone holder that you girls know I love. Now let's check out what's on the inside. This is super quaint, small, on the go. If you are one of those ladies that like a big purse, this is it. Inside, you have the distressed chestnut detailing. It does open, and let's see what is in there besides this frou-frou fun stuff. And it's just a pocket, okay? It does not have any slots, but simple functional window shopper. All right, babies, this is called the Market Crossbody. Let's check it out. Ladies, as you guys know, I am doing a sneak peek on all the new things. I'm still learning the catalog. Tons of fun stuff in here. This is called the Market Crossbody. Ladies, if you love big bags, and you cannot lie, this one is it. You can totally monogram it. It is that beige neutral canvas material with the canvas strap that is short and sweet if you want to hold it on your arm. But guess what? It comes with an interchangeable crossbody. You girls can totally customize your crossbody strap to what works for you. So this is huge, ladies. It's a simple tote for shopping. All right, bag bays, we are moving on. It is quick. There's a lot of ton to show. Guess what? We have new straps. Girls love to customize your straps. We have them in a wide leather weave, and it comes in two colors, the black multi and the taupe. So there you have it, ladies, right there in person. So you can kind of see the color. This is black, this is the taupe. It does, at the taupe, you do have the brown chestnut distress, and guess what, ladies, you can totally monogram it. Also with the black one, it is in the black faux, and again, totally monogram it right here. And guess what, ladies, you can interchange this with one of any of your fancy crossbodies. So like, for instance, the half moon, that new window shopper, you can totally detach this and make it yourself. Your limited crossbodies, look how cute is that? It totally pops. And of course, this cutie tootie. All of these straps can go with these purses. But wait, ladies, I have more. Guess what? Those two colors come in a wristlet. So ladies, you can totally dress your All About the Benjamins, your Ruby Minis, all with a pop of weave, okay? So more excitement, more fun. Make sure you check out this playlist of all the spring fun and reach out to me if you want a spring catalog. Take care, the fun's about to start. There you have it, ladies. I don't know if you can notice, but towards the very end, I was very tired. When you saw daylight, I was doing those videos in between lessons and in between activities during my lunch period, and then towards the end, after I did my YouTube presentation, I was spent. But I was so determined to make sure you girls saw all those fun products that I knew I couldn't get my hands on with the spring Shop With Me haul. So ladies, make sure you subscribe, check out my latest video. Here is all 31 news, and this is the playlist for the countdown to spring, so make sure you get in on every day's giveaway. Take care, y'all.